Oven baked drumstick curry, or you can say curry masala chicken oven baked. It's gonna be so easy, so delicious. You're gonna love it. Dairy-free, onion and tomato-based curry. We all gonna love it. And guess what? Only drumsticks are going in your cast iron. So we'll prepare all this right here. Prepare the masala, and then we will add the chicken right here on top of it. So it's a very easy recipe. Hopefully you're gonna enjoy it. Hopefully we're gonna make this a banger recipe. Onion paste. This is 300 grams, whole jar onion paste. First thing first, we will add the onion paste in here. You can make it from the fresh ingredients as well if you like it, but this recipe I'm focusing on from all ready-made ingredients. This is ginger and garlic paste. Here you go. We will add at least 50 to 75 grams of ginger and garlic. This is curry masala. If you don't have curry masala, chicken curry masala, you can use 5 seasoning powder. Okay, 5 seasoning powder, it's also a good match for this thing. 1. Guess how much chicken I'm making. I'm making at least 1.5 pound of chicken legs in here, since it's a curry, my friend. So 3 whole tablespoons of the curry masala goes in here. Mild pepper paste, you can get it. If you don't have it, you can use dry red chili powder, but use it, you know. We will add at least 2 tablespoons of the mild pepper paste in here. I'll put the ingredients in the description box so you will know. Diced tomatoes. If you don't have diced tomatoes, you can definitely use tomato paste in there. 1 whole can. We'll take half tablespoon of salt, regular table salt, kosher salt you can say. Just add it right here. We will take olive oil, since it's a big recipe. Drumstick oven baked in 40 minutes. Why not? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Wooden spoon, cast iron pan, and water. You need 1 whole baking cup of water in here. Curry is liquidy. We all know that, right? Now take your spoon, gently mix everything up. I'm using cast iron pan. It's a kind of a flat surface pan. It's just for the video, so you guys can see, you guys can get the best shots. Just mix everything up. Turn your oven on, put it on the bake, right? Temperature should be 400. Put it on bake. It's going to take another 5-6 minutes. Until then, our sauce is ready. Drumstick chicken curry masala sauce. It's all done. And now it's the time. And let's land our chicken legs. Just give it a dip right here. Dip right here. And a dip right here. Another right here. 1.5 pound of drumsticks right here, and the last one right here. Look at the measurements. It's looking good. Oven baked drumstick chicken masala is getting into oven. Let's go. Let's put this guy. Oven is ready at 400. Let's put this right here. And we will check back this guy. We will check back this guy after 35 minutes. We have to add 2 more ingredients in there. 35 minutes. Okay. This is how it's gonna look after 35 minutes. Let's take this out. Be careful. This is the first mix. We are doing it 35 minutes, my friend. Oven baked chicken masala recipe with the drumsticks. You'll take sweet peas, canned sweet peas. They are already cooked. Just make sure you don't add water, and we will add at least 4 tablespoons of sweet peas, canned sweet peas. This is how it's gonna look. Medium rare chicken at this point. This time we are putting close to the fire, and 40 more minutes. 80 minutes of well done chicken masala curry in your oven. Grab a spoon and just mix it all well. Look at this char on the chicken legs. Look at this curry sauce, all the way cooked, all the way perfectly seasoned. I showed you the whole recipe. Enjoy this recipe. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. We'll do a taste test. Let me give you this montage. This is it, guys. This is the moment of truth. Here you go, our spoon deep in to the leg, and this is the first bite with the meat, with the curry right here. Subscribe the channel, like the video, and I will see you on the next one. Until then, take care of yourself, and bye bye for now.